Etie for me mamuni akwaba eba Melodies TV so. Asemo sisi ano nsem bi akwa me A+ eka efa President Akufo-Addo hono nsem ne mudu. A+ is alleging say President Akufo-Addo epese wa rege elections no. Ode nsem bi eto social media na e wose mebomo nsem ne mu ntremu. Na mebomo ntremu wi ansa na yehu de ekọ na me reading nsem akwa me A+ ode to twa social media. Embre wo ho a you will read the comments because over 2,000 people have commented. Now, some say, some other kaya, Embra President Akufo-Addo, say proud to 2016 elections. No, he did a video. Now, say me who the same graphic baby posted that video. No, now video President Akufo-Addo, yes, at time no nye president. Asemwa wakan and say abato eba. It was around this time. No, I think it was even closer to the election. It was getting closer to December. And President Akufo-Addo, yes, that video. No. Se abatwa eba na abatwa eba no was Ghana for maye nye se ye Mahama second term because Mahama wanya de na maye ma enye se automatically na no Ghana woko first term we are was ye ma woko second term to se nia eteno nti yen stop that thing from ye Mahama ne ntoma wono Akufo-Addo because Mahama wanya de Asemwa President Akufo-Addo wakan was our video nim no. So Kwame A+ posted that video, which is a long video of President Akufo-Addo, and Kwame A+ captioned this. Was say, no government has the automatic right to be elected twice. We should not give government the sense of the right to be elected twice unless they perform or unless they deliver on the promises they made. So Kwame A+ was quoting Asemwa President Akufo-Addo wakan say me di control no. This thing na Kwame A+ kan you quote President Akufo-Addo kan was our video nim. Na me read the biom into Asemwa President Akufo-Addo kan na Kwame A+ quoting. Was say no government has the automatic right to be elected twice. Into na President Akufo-Addo ka say aban bi ani ho asebe was say automatically ye ma wo moko aban mu twice just say 8 years. Now, we say we should not give government the sense of the right to be elected twice unless they perform and unless they deliver on the promises they made. Inti say President Akufo-Addo nankasa kan say aban bi entumi anye ne promises when to me in this one eni kwan say Ghana for eto aba emano eno ena Kwame A+ akofa sa video no A+ edeka etia President Akufo-Addo ende say won so President Akufo-Addo wo ma promises bebre promises a wo ma enia no untumi ndi so ye nti say wankasa waka to hopen say ye ma promise ana aban bia ma promise no untumi ndi ne promises so nia ma ye ntoma no ende ye be use that thing against you. Say na me din control no that video is a video I've seen say a lot of NDC people are pasting it on social media easy. Now Kwame A+ and Semwa wakan baby and Sem nankasa wono. Let me read it for you guys. I say this man right here. Me read that tremor. I say this man right here promised to reduce ministers. Into A+ bobo promises as President Akufo-Addo wa promise ya win this no. Akufo-Addo nankasa can say aban bi ndi ne promises so ayen 20 ano no. I say this man right here promised to reduce ministers. He increased it. This man promised not to run a family and friends government. Today, it is worse. This man promised a stronger city. Today, the city is worse than it was. This man promised to fight corruption by using a Nazi strategy. Today, he's fighting a Nazi. This man promised to protect the public purse. Today, he's fighting the Auditor General and everybody who is protecting our money so that his people like Osafo Maafo can have their way. This man used investigations by Manasseh Azori to conclude that the NDC was corrupt and rallied Ghanaians to vote them out. Today, he's fighting the same Manasseh. If you are asked to define dishonest, just draw this. And I will know the child to say, he knows very well that he does not deserve a second term, and he knows the good people of Ghana will not vote for him. He knows the good people of Ghana will not vote for him twice after the dishonest lies, failed promises. So he's planning on how to rig the elections. That is the only option left for him now. Very disgraceful. Kwame A+ no walk kan nsɛm a emu odru sei afa yankasa ye president who was say President Akufo-Addo nankasa akato, and I've told you it is a video which is circulating. So I'll just play an audio of that particular thing and then you guys will listen to it. Was say President Akufo-Addo proud to 2016 election no nankasa aka say abai Emma promises be no obana se we ndi so a yan tuntia no e na Kwame A+ e bobo promises a President Akufo-Addo man say wo ba won fa na busuafo enhye na mamumu na nse ye wo ho e ne bebo list of family and friends a ewo President Akufo-Addo sebe Flagstaff House or tiefo eseweni President Akufo-Addo sanso ka say A+ na ekasa o say President Akufo-Addo sanso ka say wo ba CD no wo be ma ayeye na saa time no CD na sekra na mekai saa time Mahama time na CD no I think it was 4 CDs to $1 and then the CD is earning close to 6 CDs. It's Kwame A+ can say you promise that say 4 CD to $1 no enye na obama akosoro and then the ba na sen and as 4 CD no aba be say aba be than 6 asem Kwame A+ can no na was also can say obe reducing ministers and the President Akufo-Addo has the highest number of ministers ever in the history of Ghana. The ministers doso now so Mahama time no waka say Mahama ministers mun doso no oba obe reducing ministers into A+ bobo promises a Akufo-Addo man ya win this no we no de ka say and the Attorney General announce President Akufo-Addo ka say wo ba obe yisu announce and the announce President Akufo-Addo ba ba mu no afian say ya say announce the reputation Manasseh nso sa embra mekai pangana ha say hey Manasseh koye investigation for the investigation for Mahama ho say the MPP for use sa ade no and the Manasseh wo ye ade e fa MPP aban ho no yesi Manasseh ye NDC ni nti eno na A+ wo ka no ena nansen ya dom level nsensem no ena A+ e ka because na dom level say eye osafo mafo wakwa kotia sike bia eni kwan se wotia nti A+ can say enu nti na Akufo-Addo ahye dama dom level woko eye leave no nti A+ say Akufo-Addo nim se obelusu but sisi ano elections no person were reggae. We know nothing about it. We are just reporting to you. But yonko tie audio na eye A+ Akufo-Addo proud to 2016 elections A+ can wan some yonko tie no.
The democracy we fought for gives us the right to elect a government every 4 years, and it provides us with an opportunity to hold our government accountable and renew a mandate or vote them out after 4 years. No government has an automatic right to be elected twice. We should not give governments a sense of the right to be elected twice unless they perform and unless they deliver on the promises they made whilst seeking our votes. This NDC government promised to give us a one-time NHIS premium. They promised to reduce the price of petrol drastically. They also promised to put money in people's pockets. They broke all these promises, thereby breaking the trust that should exist between government and citizenry. This government has been so corrupt and so cynical about its obligations towards the people that to renew their mandate will be to endorse impunity in public life. We stand at the crossroads of history. We have a choice between an NDC government that on their record will spiral us into the abyss of a typical oil-rich but poor African country, or an MPP government which will usher in a new era of hope and good governance. The mandate I seek from you on Friday will be to advance our fundamental human rights, the right to a better life, the right of our children to quality education and good health, and a government that will be democratic, accountable, and transparent. We, the people of Ghana, should make our voices heard loud and clear on Friday. That we want transparency in our government and in public life. We can all remember the campaign of vilification that the NDC waged in 2008, which sought to paint their opponents as thieves, rogues, and drug dealers. There were threats to jail all of Kufuor's ministers, one by one by one. Fellow Ghanaians, I make these solemn pledges to you, the people of Ghana. To all those who have been dismayed by the level of corruption under this NDC government, I ask for your vote. I am committed to fighting corruption vigorously, and I shall exact the same high standards from members of my government as I have set for myself. I pledge that an Akufo-Addo government, which will be composed of a competent, dynamic team of men and women, will protect the public purse and ensure value for money in all financial transactions for the nation. To all those parents who want their children to be able to achieve their dreams and realize their full potential, I'm asking for your vote. I pledge that my team and I will deliver free quality education from kindergarten